The concept of meal prepping can be downright overwhelming for a lot of people. One of the most common things I hear is, I don't have time to meal prep. But meal prepping doesn't have to take all day long. You just need to come up with a realistic plan and execute it. Here are 3 tips for saving time on your meal prep. 1. Create a master grocery list and have it flow in the order of your grocery store. Make tons of copies and plan to just cross off what you don't need each week. 2. Invest in kitchen gadgets, things like crock pots, Instapots, and a food processor. All of these gadgets can save you a ton of time on your meal prep day. 3. Use 3 compartment containers. This takes the guesswork out of the equation. Fill the largest section with your non-starchy veggies, the next section with your lean protein, and the last with your starch. This reflects the plate method that we love to use to make sure that meals are balanced. Take action today. Write down what you plan to prep, when you plan to get your groceries, and then block out time on your calendar to prep those foods. If you need help with any of these tips, please feel free to reach out to your coach. We would love to help.